If you have ever been plagued by hiccups, you know how annoying they can be. That's why we have put together this step-by-step guide on how to get rid of hiccups. Follow the steps and you will be hiccup-free in no time. 1. Pinch your nose shut and drink a glass of water without stopping to breathe. The water will fill up your stomach and help to push the diaphragm down, which should get rid of the hiccups. 2. Swallow a teaspoon of sugar. The sweetness will help to distract your body from the hiccups. 3. Bite on a lemon. The sour taste will help to reset your body's natural reflexes. 4. Drink a glass of iced water. The cold temperature will shock your system and help to stop the hiccups. 5. Stick your finger in your ear. This unusual sensation will help to reset your body's natural reflexes. 6. Have someone scare you. The sudden shock will help to stop the hiccup. 7. Hold your breath for as long as you can. The lack of oxygen will help to reset your body's natural reflexes. 8. Drink a glass of carbonated water. The bubbles will help to massage your diaphragm and stop the hiccups. 9. Swallow a handful of rice. The grain will help to reset your body's natural reflexes. 10. Try acupressure. Apply pressure to the pressure point between your thumb and index finger for a minute. This should help to stop the hiccups. If none of these methods work, don't despair. Hiccups are usually only temporary and will go away on their own eventually. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family, and write your valuable comment about this video. Also, you can check out our other videos.